Hi, my name is Ilaria La Manna. I'm Senior Education Specialist in the Fab Lab of Studio 5. It's a Fab Lab established by MCIT, Ministry of Communication Information Technology of Qatar. Nowadays, we can, as a philosophy of our foundation, we can create almost anything. All the tools and software that we can use are open source, and really there is no limits in the imagination and the creation. So of course, learning by doing, do it yourself, research, open source projects and share it with others. It will be a great global opening for the world of next generations in the terms of working and in the terms of academic, and also in creation and using new technology, and also new way of representing and creating new jobs for the futures. It's very difficult to answer to these questions because everybody did a great job. Some robots that use climate change tools to improve the quality of the environment, and also projects that are related to education. I saw a lot of projects that focus on how we can improve the education, and using virtual reality also to be more accessible to different tools, and especially to be more aware of some of global problems.